Hi guys, welcome. This is Frosty, and I have had requests for how to create a data pack dimension for your Minecraft servers. Why use a data pack dimension? Well, some people just like to have multiple dimensions in their Minecraft servers, but the other good reason, especially on my servers, we like to use them for our mining world. When the data on the data pack dimensions get too full, you can delete the dimension, add a brand new one, and you've got a brand new place to explore, a brand new place to get resources. Everything is brand new. So let's get started. This is where we're going to go, this miso.ghub.io. Make sure you put that into your browser. It's going to bring you to this site. This is completely free to use, and it's very simple and easy to use. It is so much simpler and easier than most people believe it to be. So we're going to come right up here to Dimension. We're going to click on that. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to the three dots here. You're going to want to create new project, and you're going to name this project. So we're going to call it Wildlands. Or Wildland. It's okay. And I want this to be for a your version is right here. You're going to want to select which version of Minecraft this is going to be for. I'm going to be using the 120.121. So I went ahead and got that selected in there. I guess it didn't save my new project. Wildland. 120. Okay. So we just have this little tab. Now, we're going to go ahead and start creating the dimension, and it's a super simple process. I promise it is. So we want our Minecraft overworld selected. We also want to keep this on default. We don't, unless you want a super flat world, stick with default for now. For learning purposes, just stick with default. Alright, okay, so we're going to keep reference here. This is going to be how the world is going to identify your dimension, so you want to give it a custom name. So Wildlands. Don't put anything capital or weird in here because it won't let you do that. Now, our biome source is going to be probably the most important thing that we select. It needs to say multi-noise. And look at all these complicated things. Don't worry about any of that because the next box we're going to put a regular overworld. Just a normal overworld. And then you're going to go up here and you're going to hit download your data pack. And you'll see up here, I got a nice little zip file that's named Wildland Zip. That is your data pack dimension. This data pack dimension, now if you have mods on your server at all, it does not matter. It will automatically copy any mods, any plugins, anything from your main overworld and automatically put it into this regular world. You do not have to do any extra steps for that. You literally just need to do these little things here, get your zip file, and then I will show you how we put that into a server. But it is so simple, so easy, just to have a regular overworld data pack dimension. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back to show you how to put it in your server. So I use Bisect hosting for my server needs. Bisect hosting is amazing. I'm not sponsored by Bisect, and I just like their servers. So first, you're gonna want to stop your server. Go ahead and stop the server, and then once you stop your server, I'm gonna use actually FileZilla. I know you can do most of the stuff on Bisect's hosting page, but I'm going to go into FileZilla. I actually prefer that more. Let me enter my credentials and then I'll pop right back. Okay, so you can see that I have got into my server. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to figure out where that download file is. So it's going to be for me. Probably, I think it's just going to be underneath downloads. Oh gosh. What you can do too is you can just open a separate folder thing and you can see it in here. I'm just going to drag it out. That's probably just the easiest way is just open a separate thing there. I'm just going to drag this out. But so we need to go into your main world folder. My map is called Fat Map. I know, so cute, right? It's just something catchy that I could just remember. Alright, so go into data packs under your world folder. And you'll see I've already got a Wildlands folder put in here. But you're going to want to just take that zip that you made on the GitHub website and just drag it in. And you'll see it just kind of post in. And then I'm going to open that and go into my server and show you what that world actually looks like. Alright, so let's join the server. Now you're going to need some way to actually get to this dimension. I prefer to use the FTP Essentials mod. You can also use Waystones, but you're going to have to be able to have perms or, moderator permissions to be able to travel to this dimension. So what you do is you're going to type in TPX if you're using the FTP, and then you'll see here that that dimension is now in there, the Wildlands. So I click on that, and I'm able to, with the FTP, I'm able to just go to this dimension. And this world here is just a normal vanilla overworld. It has everything in it, but you can see that my mods were transferred in this. Like I used Thirst Was Taken, I have some other mods on here, and all of them are already installed on this dimension. It didn't change the settings, it didn't do anything. Now, Starworm Plus has a mod that I like to use because I can actually set my main overworld to be level easy and then make the data pack dimension set as a difficulty as normal. And I actually really love that because a lot of people don't like the mobs spawning on their farms, and so the only place that mobs will spawn for my servers or whatever you want to do is at night, and it's in the Wildlands. It's in my data pack dimension. Now, say this dimension gets really full, I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to go back into GitHub, I'm going to make a new one, and I'm going to plop it in, and there we go, a brand new dimension, and the old dimension's been deleted. You could, of course, reinstall the same dimension just like before anyone started mining on it or anything. That would work too. It would just be exact same copy and your map data would not change. You wouldn't have new dungeons, new places to explore, new mine shafts, new, everything. So I like to save a couple different dimensions and rotate between them, so I might have 10 of them that I rotate between, and then they'll just be refreshed. So, or you can just keep creating new ones. It's entirely up to you. I hope that this helps you. I hope that this makes the process seem a lot easier for servers. I was one of the people that had searched for a long time and researched to figure out how to do this, and when I realized how simple it was, I was shocked. I was like, are you kidding me? I watched so many videos and so many other tutorials, and they just seem so complicated. So I hope this helps you. I'm sorry if this is a little bit wordy. I am new to this, and this is my new channel. So if you follow me, great. If you subscribe, great. Thank you. I appreciate all the support and love, and I hope that this really does help. Bye!